Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of September 16th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Our flag football team has 2 games coming up. September 20th, we are playing Coniston Middle School at 4:30 p.m. The game will be played at 3630 Parker Avenue in West Palm Beach. And on September 23rd, we are playing Franklin Academy of Boynton Beach at 4:30 p.m. That game will be played at Lantana Sports Complex. Come support our Sharks. Monday, September 26th and Wednesday, October 5th, school is closed for fall holidays. Friday, October 14th, they are both teacher work days, no school for students. Thanksgiving break is November 21st through November 25th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi, PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, your elementary school principal. I'm very pleased with how our school-wide positive behavior plan is going. We've seen a great improvement in student uniforms and just overall behavior, so I'm so thankful for our students' hard work, and I've really seen our students being respectful, responsible, and ready to learn. We are wrapping up our K through 2 STAR testing. Students worked very hard and testing went very well, so parents, you should see those results coming home shortly. Next week, students in 3, 4, and 5 will be doing their ELA test on Tuesday and their math test on Wednesday. This is our first round of progress monitoring, and we will be repeating again 2 more times this school year. So please keep an eye out for your students' test results. Thank you.
Hello, PBMA family. It's Ms. Stone once again. I wanted to take the opportunity to tell all parents, families, and students thank you so much for your participation this school year. I wanted to touch a few bases to get some information out to you so that we're all on the same page. Students are currently participating in FSA retakes for both the 10th grade FSA reading as well as Algebra 1, Geometry, U.S. History, and Biology. Students who did not receive a level 3 will be retaking those assessments to count towards graduation. The state of Florida has implemented a new assessment based on the new BEST standards, and this assessment is known as the FAST assessment. We have started progress monitoring period 1. There are still several grade levels that need to test. Based upon this, parents are able to see the grades for the past FSA and should be able to see the current FAST results as well through what's known as the parent portal. This week, we will be sending home documentation so that parents are able to access their accounts easily and see their students' test scores with ease. Attendance, we're asking all parents to ensure that their students arrive to class on time. Many of our seniors and our upper level students are arriving at 9:30. Please be reminded that school starts promptly at 8:50 with butts in chairs and pens and paper ready to go. Seniors and juniors still must pass all of their necessary classes in order to graduate. I would hate for attendance to be a reason that a student does not get their high school diploma. We are currently experiencing a nationwide teacher shortage due to the COVID-19 pandemic, amongst many other things that are happening in the world of education. I want to thank my teachers who are currently here working diligently with the students to ensure they get the education that they need. I also want to thank parents and families for your patience. The substitutes that we currently have in the classroom have all been in the education system for many, many years and are doing their very best to ensure that your students get their education. We are working with the district to ensure that the current hires get their fingerprinting and their background checks done in a timely fashion. Again, thank you for your patience as we ensure that we hire highly effective teaching staff to ensure that your students get the education that they deserve. Again, PBMA family, thank you very much for all of your time, patience, and assistance as we strive for academic excellence.
Here's Miss Fisher with what's happening in elementary art.
Hey guys, it's Miss Fisher. I just wanted to share what we're doing in art today. This week and for the past couple of weeks we have been talking about the elements of art, and we are working on color. So I wanted to share some of the work that they have been doing. This is a 4th grade class, and they have drawn an octopus and are turning it into a color wheel, and also learning about secondary colors, tertiary colors. So these are the projects that we have been working on. They have been doing a great job. And next we will start with line. So you guys have a great day and keep making that art.
Our secondary art students are hard at work on two beautiful projects. The first project is Put Yourself in Someone Else's Shoes. The students created a pattern and then the straps from handmade shoes from ancient times. They used ancient Rome, ancient Greece, ancient Egypt, and Israel designs. The second project is Try to Be Like the Hummingbird. Why would we like to be like the hummingbird? The hummingbird is considered one of the strongest survivors in nature. Hummingbirds work consistently, and even though they are small, they manage to survive against the elements and their enemies. These hummingbirds are three-dimensional, and they even vibrate when on their platform. Let's check in with Miss Topher's social studies class.
Hi, my name is Miss Topher. I am the high school social studies teacher. Today I have my 10th grade world history class doing a Byzantine Empire escape room activity. So the activity has them answering 4 questions at 5 different levels, and they're also at each level doing a puzzle. The kids seem to really enjoy the activity. A few of the students even told me how much fun this is and how easy it is to remember the material this way instead of just doing strictly notes. Thank you.
Here is some secondary sports news. Our Sharks won our first game of the season versus Somerset Boca, 20-0. Middle school boys soccer and girls basketball seasons will begin in October. Be on the lookout for more information to sign up. Field trip permission slips are going home. Please send back the slips and payments as soon as possible. Students cannot attend trips if the parent or guardian does not return the completed field trips. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.